Lamsago hai ani YouTube channel lo takok dei bokol songna chang tini nai layunai kaisa katal job notification langman na taiwi abongkha teacher recruitment contractual khaiwi teacher langjangnai abongkha oro tongo naidi walk in interview tei oro tongo yoga teacher female one nost khoroksa female yoga teacher tilangjaknai purely part time ekaba contractual basis tei aboni bagui school ni mung wngkha PM Shri scheme o khopjak Raniganj Girls High Secondary School o klainai Ranir Bazar West Tripura o nirok details haimana bagui hingkha or jagao school notice board o thangui nirok details naiwi manai abongkha female jara bwrwi rok yoga ni certificate ganang borok apply khaiwi manai hinui sajakka jara interest candidate tongnai rok daiti thangui nai PM Shri Ranirganj Girls High Secondary School o thangui nai nirok jogajog khaiwi manai lage o teibo tongo nai oro tongphio Government of Tripura Bisramganj Higher Secondary School Bisramganj School o tlangjak hai aro bonaidi walk in interview date rojak 18 tarik September 2024 o interview cholenai timing rojak 12ta diporni 12ta tammani jarao interview narjaknai aro tongnai post tamo post tongnai but abo bohaina teacher yoga teacher theater instructor tei logo tongnai sweeper abo tilangjaknai 11 months ni bagui contractual basis khaiwi najagnai khe faide aro post wise details rojak tongo bono chung nailainai abongkha 1 number post yoga instructor vacancies tongo ekta aboni bai qualification nangnai at least bachelor degree saikaba master degree khaijak jekono recognized university o tei yoga no taiwi bachelor degree khaijak nangnai hinui sajakka tei aro honorarium hisabe rojaknai 200 taka per class tei maximum maseo 30 ta class ma khainai hinui sajakka tei age limit rojakha 18 বছর থেকে 40 বছর জোড়াতেই tei ST SC rokni bagui 5 বছর age relaxation manai hinui rojakka tei aro remark o tongo candidate must be permanent resident of Tripura ni borok wngma nangnai hinui sajakka tei logo 2 number o tongphio preference will be given to local candidate mane jara local ni Bishalgarh subdivision local ni aborokno no prefer rojaknai hinui sajakka aro second number o tongo theater instructor abono haino ekta vacancies abobo at least bachelor's degree haikaba master degree khaiba nangnai theater no taiwi abobo same 200 taka per hours tei maximum 30 hours khaiwi manai maseo tei age limit rojakha same 18 বছর থেকে 40 বছর জোড়াতেই ST SC ni bagui 5 বছর relaxation aro tongphio 3 number o tongo sweeper ni bagui hingkha duita vacancies tongnai aro jagao apply khainani qualification nangnai minimum 5 pass hingkha no apply khaiwi mansinai khe aboni bagui aro monthly salary rojaknai 3000 khaiwi per month age rojakka limit rojakka 18 বছর থেকে 40 বছর জোড়াতেই tei ST SC ni bagui hingkhai 5 বছর relaxation manai। oro naidi remark rojak tongo 100% roster to be followed as per government rules jeta 100% na government ni rules by na solanai Tripura government rules by na solanai hinai sajakha hingke jara interest candidate rok interview ni bagai application nanai plain paper ro tei loge o tongnai nirokni nangkukmani original document tei xerox copies tlangoi thangna nangnai hinui sajakha aboni school ni mung wngkha Bisramganj Higher Secondary School Bisramganj Sipahijola Tripura o klainai aboni bagui timing date rojakha 18 tarik September 2024 ni diponi 12 ta tammani jorao interview narakjaknai hinui sajakha ge nirok sai mankha na tamo qualification nang bwswk salary mannai tei age limit bwswk nang aborok ge ja interest tongnai rok daiti thanggnai jogajuk khaiwi nirokni document rok joma roi bai manai ge tenini bagui asok nangnai video no chajagui tongkha hingke like khai di share khai di tei kwtal naiwi tongkha hingke subscribe khai di jotono hambai puila chini paithak jora nai tongmani bagui।